Well, hey there guys, today I got a lock here for you. This one was sent to me by Diceman. It's an ABUS 80Ti/45. It's a real nice lock. Came all the way from Germany, so thank you for that. It's a real, like I said, it's a really nice lock. It's got nice tolerances. It does have security pins in it, and it's really lightweight. Here's a look at the key bitting. I guess let's go ahead and open the lock and lock it back up. Yep. So the lock does work. Give me 6 pins. There's a look at the key bitting. I should be able to pick this lock open. It took me a while, first time I did it. I said the tolerances are really tight in this lock, but you can just feel the quality. See if I can get it picked open here in an expedient manner. Okay, several false sets there. See if I can get out of them now. There's another deeper false set. Oh, overset something. Thought I had it, almost. There it is, picked open. Like I said, this was a really fun lock. It took me a while, took me a couple hours to get it open the first time. The tolerances are really tight on this. It's what this lock feels like to me is like a Master 930, but with much tighter tolerances. Like I said, it does have security pins. It's got spool pins in it, I believe. It's a really nice lock. I really like it a lot. Again, here's a look at the key bitting. And yeah, I really like this. I'm starting to like ABUS's. They're really nice locks. It says ZE here on the bottom. I'm not sure if that's a manufacturing date code or what that is. But yeah, it's a nice little lock. It's really lightweight as compared to other locks this size that feel slightly heavier. So there it is, ABUS TI 8045 picked open. And as always, you guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.